Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to change wallpaper in your TECNO Pouvoir 4. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently buy this TECNO Pouvoir 4 and you want to change wallpaper or home screen wallpaper in your phone. In order to do that, there is two ways to change it. First one, I'm to show you. You need to click in your device settings section. After click over there, you need to click here theme and lock screen. After click over there, you're going to see here something say my wallpaper. When you click my wallpaper, you're going to see here there is a bunch of wallpaper is installed in your phone just going to be appear. Also, if you want to set wallpaper from your phone, you can easily go here gallery, and this is going to give you gallery option. You can choose your AI gallery. If you click here always, it's going to give you the phone you have inside the phone, all the picture. You can easily choose any of them. Let me go back, and for example I want to choose this picture, and then I'm to click here apply. After click over apply, you're going to see here something say home screen wallpaper. So I want to set this picture for my phone home screen wallpaper. After I said, you can see immediately my phone that previous picture is set home screen wallpaper. Also there is another way to change or set home screen wallpaper. In your home screen, you can just long press. You just long press here, and then you're going to see here it's going to be appear wallpaper. After click here wallpaper, you can choose here live wallpaper. Whether you can go here wallpaper and you can choose your favorite wallpaper, and you can easily click here apply, and then same thing is going to appear home screen wallpaper or lock screen wallpaper. I'm to choose here home screen wallpaper. You can see I have successfully changed my home screen wallpaper in your TECNO Pouvoir 4. So this is how you can easily change wallpaper in your TECNO Pouvoir 4. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.